In this video, I will show you how to download audio from Facebook Messenger. I am trying to download with this audio message, but there is no option to download here. Let's see how to download audio message. You need to go to any browser to download the audio message. Now go to Facebook. Log into Facebook with your Gmail and password here. Now click on the messenger icon. Here your Facebook Messenger apps will open. If you click on the back button, the Messenger apps will be closed. Once you click on the message icon, the Messenger apps will be launched again. Turn off the Messenger app by clicking on the back button again. Now if you click on the audio message, it will be downloaded. Your audio message has been downloaded. This is your audio message.